Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see few letter writing or email writing examples in German. This is part 2. In part 1 we have seen few examples, and in this part also we are going to see some more examples, because in German Goethe A1 level exam you will have this task, this either email writing or letter writing. So we'll prepare for that. I'll share few examples with you, then you will able to know how to write it, and how to cover all the points which are given to you, that you'll able to know this. Okay. Now here, Ihre Freundin Petra will Sie im Juni besuchen. Schreiben Sie an Petra, schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze, circa 30 Wörter. Meaning, what you have to write here, what is the task? Your friend Petra, she is visiting you in June, and you have to write to Petra. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze. On each point, you will have to write at least one or two sentences, circa 30 Wörter. So the whole thing should be approximately 30 words. Sagen Sie, Sie müssen im Juni für Ihre Firma nach Frankfurt fahren. Now you have to tell her, you have to write to her that you are visiting Frankfurt for your company's work in June. Bitten Sie Ihre Freundin, sie soll im August besuchen. Now you have to uh, write to your friend, or you have to request her that she should come in August. She should visit in August. Sie haben am 11 und 8 Geburtstag, meaning on 11th August you have your birthday. So she should come in August. That you will have to write here, and all the points you will have to cover here. Okay, this was one example. Then schreiben Sie eine Entschuldigung an die Lehrerin Ihrem Sohn. Sagen Sie, Ihr Sohn kann nicht in die Schule gehen. Grund, warum kann er nicht in die Schule gehen? Sie kommen morgen wegen seiner Hausaufgaben. Now here, what is the task? You have to write to your son's teacher. Okay, you have to tell her sorry that your son could not go to school. Ihr Sohn kann nicht in die Schule. He cannot come to the school. Grund is reason. What is the reason? So why he is not able to go to school? That also you have to write here. Warum kann er nicht in die Schule gehen? And why he cannot go to school? And Sie kommen morgen wegen seiner Hausaufgaben. And you have to tell her that you are going to school tomorrow to for his housework or homework also can say Hausaufgaben. So this is the task, and all these 3 points you will have to cover. Again, the text should be approximately 30 words. Okay, so this is one more example. Then here we'll see one more example also. Sie wollen nach Berlin fahren. Okay, schreiben Sie eine E-Mail an die Touristinformation in Berlin. Now here you have to travel to Berlin. You are traveling to Berlin and you want to write an email for tourist information, to the tourist information in Berlin. Sagen Sie, wann besuchen Sie Berlin? When are you visiting Berlin? That you have to tell. Then fragen Sie nach Hotelpreisen oder Informationen über Jugenderberge, meaning this means youth hostel. So you can ask them, the tourist information center, about the hotel price and the information regarding youth hostel. Fragen Sie nach Sehen wird Dischkeiten, meaning here Zen view Dischkeiten is sightseeing. So you have to ask them for the sightseeing also. Okay, so these are the points you have to cover. So this is all about again some few more examples about letter writing or email writing. So I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you, and bye-bye.